children. Today I will show one experiment for you. What is that experiment? Acid base react with the methyl orange and phenolphthalein indicator. And which type of colors are we are observe once start the experiment. First I take some amount of nitric acid. Nitric acid is a strong acid. I take some amount of nitric acid. In one test tube. And second test tube, I take some amount of sodium hydroxide pellets. Sodium hydroxide is a strong base. This is a spatula. I take a small amount of sodium hydroxide pellets. Add some water. Because of the sodium hydroxide in a solid state, adding up some water means it changes to liquid state. So in first test tube I take a hydrochloric acid or a sulfuric acid. Any acid you take in one test tube. Second test tube is sodium hydroxide. So one is a strong acid, another one is a strong base. So I take first methyl orange indicator. This methyl orange indicator is react with acid. Which color is observe? Once you observe, what is the color of methyl orange is react with acid? What is the color of methyl orange react with acid? It is red in color. It is red in color. Once you observe methyl orange react with acid, red in color. Next, methyl orange react with base. What is the color? Methyl orange react with base, yellow in color. You observe. First methyl orange react with acid, red in color. Next methyl orange react with base, yellow in color. Next again you take some amount of acid in another test tube. In one test tube acid and another test tube. You take small amount of base. This acid and base react with phenolphthalein indicator. Acid react with phenolphthalein indicator. What is the color of acid react with phenolphthalein indicator? Colorless. So acid react with phenolphthalein indicator, colorless. Next, base react with phenolphthalein indicator. What is the color of base react with phenolphthalein indicator? It is the color of pink or magenta. So these four colors are very beautiful. So these acid and bases are react with two indicators. Acid and base react with methyl orange, red and yellow color, and acid and base react with phenolphthalein, colorless and pink color. This experiment is very important for your SA1 exam. Thank you.